You can create your content online without having to pay. And we are working together towards monetizing the whole space around creatives. I know when I say monetizing, I know the taxman is also listening. You know, the tax fellows are listening. Whenever they see some people making money in some corner, they arrive. So I know that there is a proposal in this year's budget on digital content, and creators are making a statement. I have told the ICT committee and the finance committee to work on it. Let's give them a bit more space. I think let us allow them kidogo wajipange. Lakini baadaye sisi wote tutalipa ushuru. Unajua huyu mtu wa ushuru akisikia kuna mtu anatengeneza pesa mahali fulani, anatembelea yeye, anamwambia hii pesa inatembea. So we are going to work together in that space, but we have heard you and we are going to work with you so that we make sure that that does not work against what you want to do.